Hi, my name is Megan McMaster, and I will be explaining the structures of the respiratory system and their main function. The main structures of the respiratory system are the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and the bronchial tree, and also the lungs, all pinned right here on zygote body. There's the pharynx, the larynx, down here's the trachea, and here are the lungs. And then the bronchial tree. Can't really see through all of it. The main functions of the nasal cavity are to warm, moisturize, and filter the air that enters our body before it travels to our lungs. The hair inside of our nasal cavity helps trap environmental contaminants such as pollens and dust so they don't travel through the body. Next is the pharynx. This is also known as the throat. It is also part of our digestive system, not just our respiratory system. For our respiratory system, it allows air to travel down our respiratory tract. Following the pharynx, the larynx is next. The larynx is also known as our vocal cords. It also helps with breathing, creating sound, and protecting our trachea. As for creating sound, it will control our pitch and volume, and that is essential for phonation. After the larynx, the trachea is next down our respiratory tract. This is also known as our windpipe. Our trachea is a hollow tube, and it connects from our pharynx and larynx all the way down to our bronchi. It allows the passage of air, and it is vital in providing the airflow to and from our lungs for breathing. Lastly lies the lungs. Their primary function is respiration or breathing, and this is where gas is exchanged.